Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Gus Two Wheeling. Out here on the Honda CRF250L. I'm gonna take a cruise through town. Y'all do motorcycles? Yeah, they're having a car wash over there. Nice. Beautiful day today. Oh. Ambulance there. Heck, this is where I bought my Honda CRF250L, but they closed. Loudoun Motorsports. Gonna miss them guys. And it's gonna be a jewelry store. I guess the local Dodge dealership is using it for storage lot at the moment. Man, look at all these cars. Challengers, Chargers with the Hemi engine. But yeah, it's all empty in there. I went to their auction last month, and I got a couple things. Bought a Honda display stand that I got in the basement, and Loudoun Motorsports sign, which I hung in the garage. But everything sold during the auction. I mean, they had bikes that they sold, their parts truck or pickup truck. Everything sold but the window screens. That's what the auctioneer told me at the end. But yeah, everyone bought tools, motorcycle lifts, service manuals, ton of stuff, ton of parts, motorcycle parts. It was crowded that day. Yeah. Sad to see them go. What is that? That's cool. Two-seater race car there, like an Indy car or something. V6 24 valve. I wonder what engine that's from. Coffee shop. That's cool. Doesn't have a license plate on it. My daughter used to work for this car repair place here, European Service Center. She worked in the office. But real nice store. Like that Mazda RX-7 in red, white, and blue. That's cool. Make sure no one's make sure no one's coming. Yeah, good owner in there too. She said she liked working for him. A lot of people on the bike trail today. WNOD bike trail. But yeah, they've built this up quick. This used to be, before it used to be like a, it was like a lumber store, mill workshop. It was called Barber and Ross. But I think they moved it to Winchester and sold the land and the developers are building this. On Saturday mornings in the parking lot right over here, they have a farmer's market every Saturday morning. Wife and I, we go to, and it's local farmers bringing their goods, selling their produce, fruits and vegetables. It's pretty good. Let's go on down here to downtown Leesburg, or historic downtown Leesburg. A lot of outside seating today at the restaurants here. China King, they've been here for decades. I remember coming through here like in the 70s and seeing the same place called China King. Idly Park. I want to come check out. This is like the newest high school in Leesburg, Tuscarora High School. They say, I've been told that the football field is AstroTurf. It's like, really? That is, I've never seen this school. I've never gone in here. It's a big high school. look at this fancy place. There's a ticket booth. Can't see through the fence with these banners. I guess it is AstroTurf. What a big, oh, they're playing baseball over there. Yeah, it's a big school. My high school wasn't this big. What's that plaque say? Tuscarora High School Rain Garden. Alright. Alright, well, thanks for watching Gus 2 Wheeling. Click like on the video, post any comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell. That will give you email notifications when I post a new video. Alright, hope you all doing good, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video.